Creeping eh.
This still mounting up.
Back. Uy, ang crown.
Wait.
Stay with me. Yung chart natin wala pa rin. Putang ina naman to.
Nagpalit yata siya. Kasi sabi, fix fight naman daw eh.
Wait mo na pa.
Hindi kakain, hindi na bumalik.
Mana natin.
Nalibang.
Wala na, nagula na ito bagak. Nagrap around ulit.
Come northwest.
Pangatang position natin.
Again, guys, spread, okay? They're very heavy, bro. You have to spread.
Guys, yung healing sickness, guys.
Come northwest.
Mag-spam, wala naman tayong bawas pa.
Keep coming. They're trying to wrap around, okay? Ano ba si?
They're gonna make two zergs.
Anong make two zergs, puta?
Ang bulan bintang nasa likod.
Look northwest, botang inang. Look northwest.
Go na yan.
Keep moving. Come. Keep moving. Push to them. Keep rolling. Bro western. Push through. Look at the crowd. Wait. Spread. Keep spreading. Look at the crowd. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me. Keep moving northeast. Come northeast. Bro the northeast side. Heal up. Bro the northeast. Execute the low ones. Keep rolling. Careful northwest, okay? Push northwest. Push to Bulay Bintang. Push Bulay Bintang now. Ditangs, hold them southeast. Defensive the crowd. Hello. Spread boys. Look at the crowd. Northwest. 5, 4. Wait. Look in the middle. 3, 2, 1. Crowd, hit me now. Good. Keep pushing northeast. Bro northeast. Healers, you have to push through northeast and brawl. Brawl northeast. Keep moving. Rolling. Keep rolling northeast. Heal up. Drop Judy. We're gonna engage on the crowd. 5 seconds. Okay, southeast side. On the crowd. Get ready. 5 seconds. On the crowd. East side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. Crowd. Jump. Big. Good. I think we're wala ta out.
I think.
Wala, ang dami nila. Grabe.
Ito lang full bull.
Ang dami nila. Bakit ang dami?
Ikaw namang paano siya. Kaya nga, ako pa engage yun ta.
Di,
Dami nila, boys.
all G naman to siya Iras. Ang problema naman kabalo naman ka sa bulan bintang, nakalaban natin sila ping 300. Ang isa talaga mo face sa Pitas.
Ito mo kayo mag-state ka. Nabit ko terwa.